What if you could make your money work for you 24/7 without lifting a finger? Sounds too good to be true. Well, thanks to artificial intelligence, this is no longer a dream, it's reality. Hi everyone, and welcome to Wealth 2.0, Financial Mastery with AI. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI-powered investment tools. Whether you're a total beginner or just looking to save time, these tools are changing how we invest. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use them to grow your wealth. So, grab a coffee, sit back, and let's explore how AI can make investing smarter and easier. Let's start with the basics. What exactly are AI tools for investments? Simply put, these are platforms powered by artificial intelligence that analyze financial data and automate investment strategies. Think of them as your personal financial assistant that never sleeps. Some popular examples include robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealthfront, which build and manage your portfolio automatically. Then there are apps like Acorns that invest your spare change. Pretty cool, right? So, why should you use AI for your investments? For starters, it saves time. AI tools analyze market data, make decisions, and even rebalance your portfolio, all automatically. Another big advantage is accessibility. You don't need a financial degree to start investing. These tools simplify everything and often cost much less than hiring a financial advisor. Plus, these tools are personalized. They adjust strategies based on your risk tolerance, goals, and even market conditions. It's like having an expert in your pocket. Now, let's look under the hood. How do these tools actually work? Here's a simple breakdown. Data collection. They gather massive amounts of data from the markets and your inputs. Analysis. AI algorithms crunch the numbers and identify the best investment opportunities. Execution. Finally, the tool buys, sells, or rebalances your investments, all automatically. The best part? You just need to set your goals and risk tolerance, and the AI does the rest. It's like autopilot for your finances. Let's talk about some specific tools you can try today. Betterment. Perfect for beginners. It creates a diversified portfolio and even helps with tax optimization. Wealthfront, great for automating larger portfolios with advanced features like financial planning. Acorns, invest your spare change by rounding up your purchases. It's a fun way to start small. Robinhood and eToro. If you prefer a hands-on approach, these apps combine AI insights with manual trading. Getting started is easy. Create an account, answer a few questions about your goals, and let the AI handle the rest. Of course, no system is perfect. Here are a few things to keep in mind. Over-reliance. Don't blindly trust the AI. Regularly check your portfolio and stay informed. Understand the basics. Even with automation, knowing the fundamentals of investing is crucial. Market risks. AI can't predict the future, so always invest within your comfort zone. The key is to view AI as a tool that works with you, not for you. So, there you have it. AI is revolutionizing the way we invest, making it smarter, easier, and more accessible for everyone. Remember, AI isn't just the future of investing. It's happening right now. The only question is, are you ready to take advantage of it? Today, you discovered how artificial intelligence can transform your investments, but this is just the beginning. In the next video, we'll explore how to create automated business models with AI. Imagine having a source of income that works for you while you focus on what truly matters. Subscribe now, turn on notifications, and get ready to uncover the limitless possibilities technology has to offer. The future of business is within your reach. Thanks for watching Wealth 2.0, Financial Mastery with AI. See you in the next video.